Hey designers! After Figma websites, Figma just dropped another game changer, the glass effect. Yes, after Apple's liquid glass effect in iOS 26, Figma has now introduced a built-in glassmorphism effect that gives you full control over refraction, frost, light, and more, all natively in Figma. Let's explore it in action. I'll start by applying the new glass effect on a login form I previously designed using manual glassmorphism styles. This effect only works on frames, so just wrap it with a frame. Now with Figma's update, I can adjust parameters like dispersion, refraction, depth, and light behavior directly from the Properties panel. Now test it with multiple backgrounds, see how the transparency and light play around, way smoother and more realistic than before. I am using the Unsplash plugin to add some image backgrounds directly on screens. You can adjust parameters like dispersion, refraction, depth, and light behavior directly from the Properties panel. So, it is pretty fine when we have control over the background. Now let's get into the real challenge. Every new design trend or feature comes with its own challenges. Let's apply this to a bottom navbar in a social media app to test it in a different real-world scenario. Apply effects to the components and quickly add prototyping. So here is the outcome in prototype mode. Initially, it looked stunning, until I scrolled. As you can see, when I reach the captions, the background is light and the icons are white, they're almost invisible. They are only visible on images. So I tried switching the icon color to dark. And boom, now the darker icons are visible on most of the area but are lost on dark backgrounds like images or videos in the feed. This brings us to an important UX point, accessibility. While the glass effect is visually appealing, dynamic backgrounds in apps like social platforms make it hard to ensure consistent contrast and visibility. Figma's new glass effect is a huge leap for UI aesthetics and real-time prototyping. But like any powerful design trend, it must be used with care, especially when it comes to contrast, readability, and dynamic content. If you're designing apps where background content changes, always test across scenarios before finalizing. Like the breakdown? Hit the like button, subscribe for more UI/UX breakdowns, and drop a comment if you've tested the glass effect yet. See you in the next design drop.